AI audio on Filmora for mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the exciting world of AI audio on Filmora for mobile. This feature allows you to enhance your videos with professionally curated audio tracks, taking your content to the next level. Let's get started. Accessing Filmora for mobile. Make sure you have the Filmora app installed on your mobile device. Open the app and navigate to the editing interface. Importing your video. Tap on the Import button to access your media library. Select the video clip you want to edit and import it into the timeline. Using AI audio. Look for the AI audio feature in the app's toolbar. Tap on it to access a library of professionally curated audio tracks. Selecting the perfect track. Browse through the available audio tracks and listen to previews to find the one that best suits your video. You can filter tracks by genre, mood, or tempo to narrow down your options. Applying the audio track. Once you've found the perfect track, simply tap on it to apply it to your video. Filmora for mobile will automatically sync the audio track with your video clip. Adjusting audio settings. Fine-tune the audio settings to achieve the desired balance between the audio track and your video clip. You can adjust the volume, fade-in/out effects, and more to customize the audio to your liking. Previewing your video. Preview your video to ensure that the AI audio track complements your footage perfectly. Make any necessary adjustments until you're satisfied with the result. Exporting your video. Once you're happy with your video, tap on the Export button to save it to your device or share it directly to social media platforms. Let's wrap up. And there you have it. With AI audio on Filmora for mobile, you can effortlessly elevate your videos with high-quality audio tracks. Don't forget to experiment with different tracks and settings to unleash your creativity. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, visit our website wondersharefilmora.com for more editing tips, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Until next time, happy editing!